What's up everyone, welcome back to another scenic beautiful waterfalls video. This is Thonam Waterfalls located near village Thonam in Salur, Vijayanagam district. It is a very famous waterfalls in the neighborhood and most importantly very unique in its nature. It's not famous for its height or width, in fact it is very famous for its beauty and scenic view. I mean, just look at it. The flow of the water stream surrounded by dense vegetation gives it a tropical deep rainforest look. This is an awesome place to enjoy with your family, friends, colleagues, neighbors, etc. etc. However, you need to be very careful, especially if you are going along with children. One can also trek the surrounding areas if you are a trekking freak, you know what I'm saying. And there are several spots alongside the water to enjoy, as you can see in the video. People sliding down the waterfalls, swimming, backflipping, diving, etc. etc. However, none of these stunts were performed by professionals and I don't recommend any of these activities or stunts as these are not safe. Finally, watch the video till then, share it if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hopefully be back with another video very soon. Thank you.